Namaskar and Namaskaram. Welcome back to Raghu Ashwan Multiple Language Speaking Tutorial. It's better to fall in originality than to succeed in imitation. The single most important key to success is first and foremost to be a good listener. Everyday's life is all about ups and downs. All it matters is how you tackle the situation and come out with thumbs up. Don't be stuck on the struggles you come across. Life turns into much more beautiful when you overcome the obstacles and move on. Today, you might not be nothing, but don't make your tomorrow to be the same. Bring out the best in you, work hard, put in your effort, and see the results of happiness knocking your door to experience the most happiest days of your life. In today's topic, we are going to learn one of the basics of language learning. That's nothing but fruits name. Yes, we are going to learn 25 types of fruits name in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and Kannada through English. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and share with your friends and family members, and most importantly, press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So at first, we are going to learn 25 types of fruits name from English to Tamil. In Tamil, fruits is said as palangal, apple. In ancient days, apple was translated as arathipalam in Tamil, but let me make it clear, nowadays nobody uses it. It's been called as same in English. Mango is the king of all the fruits, and it is also the national fruit of India. Mango in Tamil, it's been translated as mambalam. Banana, vaazhaipalam in Tamil. Orange, kamalapalam in Tamil. Pomegranate is the national fruit of Iran. It has 3 times more antioxidants than green tea. Antioxidants protect cell from damage and prevents diseases. Pomegranate is being translated in Tamil as Madulai Palam. Now coming to papaya. It's been translated in Tamil as Pappali. Grapes in Tamil as Drakshai. Watermelon as Darbusani. Pineapple, Annasi. Sapota, it's the same. Red banana as Sevvalai. Guava as Goya Palam. Jackfruit as Palapalam. Fig as Athipalam. Muskmelon as Kirni Palam. Custard apple as Sita Palam. Dates contain essential minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium and potassium. It also promotes brain health. So now let's see the translation of dates from English to Tamil. In Tamil, it's been translated as Perchambalam. Blueberry as Auri Nelli. Gooseberry as Nellikani. Cashew fruit as Mundri Palam. Lemon as Elmchai Palam. Avocado in Tamil as Vennai Palam. Till now, we had seen the translation from English to Tamil. So now we are going to say in Hindi. Apple as Seb. Mango, Aam. Banana, it's been translated as Kela in Hindi. Orange as Santra. Pomegranate as Anar in Hindi. Papaya, it's called as Papita in Hindi. Grapes as Angur in Hindi. Watermelon as Tarboos. Pineapple as Ananas. Sapota as Chiku. Red banana as Lal Kela in Hindi. Guava as Amrud. Jackfruit as Kathal. Fig as Anjeer. Muskmelon as Karboos. Custard apple as Sitafal in Hindi. Guys, please check out my other videos too. Dates as Khajur in Hindi. Blueberry, it's been translated as Neel Bhadri in Hindi. Gooseberry as Amla. Cashew fruit as Kaju Kafal. Lemon as Nimbu. Avocado as Makhan Phal in Hindi. So till now we had seen the translation of all the 25 types of fruit names from English to Hindi. So now we are moving on to Telugu. Fruit is called as Pandu in Telugu. Apple, it's been translated as apple in Telugu. Mango as Mamidi Pandu. Banana as Arti Pandu. Orange as Kamala Pandu. Pomegranate as Danimma Pandu. Papaya as Papaya. Grapes as Draksha. Watermelon as Puchakaya. Pineapple as Anasa Pandu. Sapota Red banana Erra Arati Pandu. Guava as Jama Pandu. Jackfruit as Panasa Pandu. Fig as Atti Pandu. Muskmelon as Kharbuja. Dates as Kharjuram. Blueberry as Neeridi Pandu. Gooseberry as Usirikaya. Cashew fruit as Jeedi Pandu. Cashew nut is called as Jeedi Pappu. So the same cashew fruit is called as Jeedi Pandu. Lemon as Nimma Pandu. Avocado is the same in Telugu. So now we are moving on to Kannada. So let's see the translation of fruits name from English to Kannada. Apple as Sebu in Kannada. Mango as Mavina Hannu. Generally for fruit in Kannada it's been translated as Hannu. Banana as Bale Hannu. Orange as Kitle Hannu. Pomegranate as Dalimbe. Papaya the same. Drakshi is nothing but grapes in English. Watermelon as Kallangdi. Pineapple as Ananas. Sapota is the same. Red banana as Kempu Bale Hannu. Kempu is nothing but red color. Seebe Hannu is nothing but Goa. Halasina Hannu is jackfruit. Anjura is nothing but fig. Muskmelon is Kharbuja. Custard apple is Sitafala. Dates is Kharjura. Berry Hannu is nothing but blueberry. Gooseberry is Nellikaya. Godambi Hannu is cashew fruit. Godambi is nothing but cashew in English. Nimbe Hannu is lemon in English. Avocado as Benne Hannu in Kannada. That's all in today's class. I hope my today's video was very much informative. As always, my kind request would be to join my channel by subscribing, like and share with your friends and family members. Stay tuned for next wonderful video. Thanks for watching. Till we catch up in next video of multiple language learning. As of now, bye-bye.